Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my minifig club unboxing. And this is for, what month is it? August? I think it's the August month. August bag. So this is a postcard they send you with your first subscription, and so every month you get a sticker. When you fill it up, you get a prize. You also get a magnet every month, a big sticker. There's the little one that goes on the postcard, a bookmark. You're totally cool. That's cute. There's always a challenge, and they have like a little Facebook page on social media. Some pictures of little creations or people. A postcard. So a bunch of little goodies. And then you have your Lego people. So there's a golden bag, and it has your piece of the month. Normally it corresponds with like the theme. Yep, so they sent us a frog, and it's a yellow one. Then you get accessories and parts to build minifigures. There's enough in here to build just over 3 minifigures. And then there's typically a few leftover pieces. So here's the first one. We'll go over the chest pieces first. So there's 3 of those. Then 3 bases. We have a dress. Plain, well, it's not plain blue. It has a little, some detailing there on the front. And then some orange and brown pants. And then 4 heads. So this one. That one's double-sided. That's pretty cool. I like this one. I don't think we have one of those. Also, 2 different sides to that one. This one is just a plain green. And then this guy with a mustache. And then in here we have the accessories. You normally get a good mix of stuff in here. So I have a monkey or a gorilla head. A wolf. This is cool. Pirate one. Long hair. I like that one a lot. An axe, a flag, flower. Some of them are stuck together. And those are the rest of the pieces. So very cool, and these are all official Lego pieces, which is a huge deal if you're a collector. A lot of the Lego subscriptions aren't actually Lego pieces, so that means a big deal to us because we collect minifigures. So that's what I got for this month. If you want to see past months, I will put all that information below, and check out my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.